Good morning students. Welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Students, today we are going to start with exercise 6.4 question number 3. Look at this figure and see. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC and AM is the median. Now, what you have to prove is AB, this one, AB plus BC, BC. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. 2AM, this one. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM, that we have to prove. Consider the sides of a triangle AMB and triangle AMC. So student, let's solve question number 3. Now, this is a triangle A, B and C. And AM is a median of triangle A, B and C. Now, consider triangle ABM, this one, ABM, this one, this half triangle. Now, AB plus BM is greater than AM. Is greater than AM. Why? Because sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, as I told you earlier. And this is in equation first, because the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now, similarly in triangle ACM, CA plus CM is greater than AM. This is in equation 2. CA, where is CA? CA. And plus CM is greater than AM, in triangle ACM, in this triangle, in this half triangle, AC plus CM is greater than AM. Why? Because the sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. This is in equation 2. Now students, see. So we have two inequations. First one is AB plus BM is greater than AM in equation 1, and CA plus CM is greater than AM in equation 2. Adding 1 and 2 in equation, we will get AB plus CA, this AB plus CA plus BM plus CM. BM plus CM is greater than AM plus AM. Now, BM plus CM is equal to BM plus CM is equal to BC. So, in place of BM plus CM, we can write BC. So, see. AB plus CA plus BC, because BM plus CM is equal to BC, just now I told you, is greater than 2AM, because there are 2 AMs. So, therefore, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM, and that is what we have to prove. Now student, next question is fourth question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. See this one. ABCD. This is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC. This AC. Diagonals. This AC is a diagonal. Plus BD. That you have to find out. So student, let's solve question number 4 of exercise 6.4. In this question, a quadrilateral is given, that is A, B, C and D. In a quadrilateral, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, that you have to prove. Now, as you all know that the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So, now we will consider triangle ADC. See, triangle ADC, this triangle. In a quadrilateral, this triangle we will consider. In this triangle, CD plus DA is greater than AC. Why? Because the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So this is in equation first. Again I am telling you, CD plus DA is greater than AC. Similarly, in triangle ABC, this triangle. In this triangle, AB plus BC is greater than AC. This is in equation 2. Now, see, I have written this here. Now consider triangle ADC. CD plus DA is greater than AC. This is in equation first. Similarly, in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. This is in equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2 in equation, what we will get? We will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2AC. AB plus CD plus DA or AD plus BC is greater than 2AC. This is in equation 3. Now we will consider triangle BCD. See, triangle BCD. BCD, this triangle. This one. In this triangle, triangle BCD, BC plus CD is greater than BD. Why? Because the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is in equation 4. Similarly, in triangle ABD, this triangle. In a triangle ABD, AB plus DA is greater than BD. This is in equation 5. See. Now consider triangle BCD. BC plus CD is greater than BD. This is in equation 4. Similarly, in triangle ABD, AB plus DA is greater than BD. This is in equation 5. Now, adding in equation 4 and 5, what we will get? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2BD because there are 2BD. This is in equation 6. Now student, we have to consider two in equation, and that are in equation 3 and 6. Now what are 3 and 6? This one is third one. In equation AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2AC. And in equation 6 is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2BD. Now see, we have considered these two inequations. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2AC in equation 3, and AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2BD in equation 6. Now adding 3 and 6 in equations, 2AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2AC plus 2BD. Therefore, 2 cut. Here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. So, this is what we have to prove, that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now, we will solve question number 5 of exercise 6.4. That is, ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2AC plus BD. That you have to prove. So student, let's solve question number 5 of exercise 6.4. Look at this quadrilateral A, B, C and D. In this quadrilateral, AC and BD are two diagonals and point O is in the middle of the diagonal. Now, as we know that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This we all know. Now we will take a triangle AOB, this triangle. We will take triangle AOB. In this triangle, OA plus OB is greater than AB. This is in equation 1. In triangle OBC, this triangle. In this triangle, OB plus OC is greater than BC. Now we will take the third triangle OCD, this triangle. OCD triangle OC plus OD is greater than CD. This is in equation 3. And now we will take this empty triangle. In this triangle OAD, this triangle. OA plus OD is greater than DA. This is in equation 4. So, see. In this way, we have to write all the inequations. In triangle OAB, OA plus OB is greater than AB in equation 1. In triangle OBC, OB plus OC is greater than BC in equation 2. In triangle OCD, OC plus OD is greater than CD in equation 3. And fourth in equation is triangle OAD, OA plus OD is greater than DA. This is fourth in equation. Now adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 in equation, we will get OA plus OB plus again OB plus OC plus OC plus OD plus OD plus OA is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. See, I have already written out here. See. Now, see. 2AB, OA, this one is also OA. 2OA plus 2OC, 2OC, OC, 2OC plus 2OB, OB, 2OB plus 2OD, 2OD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now, this OA plus OC. Again, look at the diagram. OA plus OC. It will become AC. OB plus OD. OB plus OD. This will become BD. See. So, in place of OA plus OC, I have written AC, and OB plus OD, I have written BD. So, 2AC plus BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This means that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is smaller than 2AC plus BD. Students, if you are not been able to understand this sum, then watch this video again and again, then you will be able to understand it very easily. Now let's solve 6th question of exercise 6.4. Student, this is the last question of this exercise, and that is the length of two sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 15 cm. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? It means that a triangle is given in which one side is of 12 cm, another side is of 15 cm. Then you have to find out the third side between which you have to find out the measure of third side between which it falls. You have to find out the two numbers between which that third side falls. So let's solve question number 6. Let the third side of the triangle be x centimeter. We have supposed that third side of a triangle be x centimeter. Then 15 plus 12 is greater than x centimeter. Why? Because the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is the property of a triangle that you all know. Therefore, 15 plus 12. See, 15 plus 12 is greater than x. 15 plus 12, that comes to be 27. 27 is greater than x. So, x should be less than 27 centimeter. It means 27 centimeter, that x length of the third line segment of a triangle should be less than 27 centimeter. Why? Because sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So x should be less than 27 centimeter. This is in equation first. Also, x plus 12. If I put x plus 12, because x is also a side of a triangle, so x plus 12 is greater than 15, because as you all know, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. If x is the length of third side, then x plus 12 is greater than 15. So x is greater than 15 minus 12. That is equal to, therefore x is equal to 3. So x should be greater than 3 centimeter, and thus the length of the third side of the triangle should be between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. So student, this is the end of today's video. We will meet again tomorrow with new exercise, that is exercise 6.5. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.